Today's crafting theme is summer! Summer is all about playing in the water, so let's make a little pool together. Let's go! I need a pencil for sketching out the outline. I'll make you a sharpened pencil tip. I love the sound of this pencil sharpener. What about your friends? The sketch should be just enough to get a rough idea of the size and shape. Use a black pen to draw the lines. You can also draw detailed lines at this time. Kuromi and her friends are going to the pool. Make your friends your favorite characters too. Erase the pencil lines with an eraser. Coloring is a great mood booster. Imagine yourself splashing in the water and get excited about coloring. Tape the pictures you want to put in the pool to the front and back of the poo. Just make sure the tape is tight with no air bubbles. We'll paint the bottom of the pool in 2 colors. Use a white pen to create waves. Feel free to give it a wave. Friends, it's like a pool you want to dive into, right? Only tape on one colored side. Fold the long side over twice to make 3 equal parts. Fold half of one side down. Unfold the other side and fold it inward. Fold the visible back part upward. When you fold and unfold it, you should see the colored side. Unfold it face up and fold the corners into a triangle. Form the 4 corners into a triangle, then fold it in half. Now we'll fold the remaining top in the same way. Fold the 4 corners into a triangle and fold it in half with the colored side facing up. Now grab the center section and slowly open it up. Now we just need to angle the ends of each corner. Did you succeed in getting your friends to follow suit? Let us know how it went in the comments. Cut out the drawings with scissors. It's slime for the pool water. I'll open it up. Doesn't the slime color look cool because it's crystal clear? Let's play with the slime for a while. I stretch it, squish it, and touch it. It's cool to the touch. It feels good. Now place your slime in the paper pool. The more you look, the prettier the colors, right? Now let's put it all in a paper box. I I added 2 pictures. I'm going to simply scotch tape it to the outside of the paper pool. What do you think? Does it feel like a vacation? Let your friends draw and decorate it however they want. How did you like making a little pool in the palm of your hand? If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And stay tuned to see what I make next. Prepare your notes. Create a rectangle to fit the size of the vinyl opening. Draw a line with a black pen over the pencil line you sketched. Hurry up! Subscribe and like your Lappin' friends. Let's draw some cute sprunky friends. Draw some cute underwater friends too. Want me to draw you an underwater villainous friend? I'm going to have fun coloring. Yes! Hurry up! Ding, ding, ding. I'll cut it all off with my scissors. I'll draw seaweed and coral on a clear plastic bag. Oh! Don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed it. Smooth, smooth, smooth. We made a spunky aquarium. I'll be back with more fun crafts next time.